In this video, I'll show you how to use Yoast SEO free to boost your WordPress site's search engine visibility without spending a dime. Start by logging into your WordPress dashboard and go to the plugin section. Click Add New, search for Yoast SEO, then click Install Now and activate. You'll notice a new SEO menu appear in your dashboard, which is where you'll manage all your settings. Next, run the configuration wizard by selecting SEO, then General and click Begin Configuration Wizard. Follow the prompts to set your site type, whether it's an individual or organization, and add your social media links. Choose which content should be indexed by search engines and decide if you want to enable author archives. Once the wizard is complete, start optimizing your pages in post. Scroll to the Yoast SEO meta box while editing content. Enter a focus key phrase, edit your SEO title, and write a meta description around 120 to 155 characters. Yoast will provide suggestions in the SEO analysis and readability analysis sections to help improve your content. Pay attention to Yoast traffic light system. Green means your SEO is good, orange indicates room for improvement, and red highlights major issues that need fixing. This system helps you refine keyword placement, links, and readability for better performance. By following these steps, you can effectively use Yoast SEO free to optimize your site and improve search rankings. Keep checking Yoast's feedback as you create new content to maintain strong SEO. Thanks for watching and happy optimizing.